today I'm going to unbox these blind bags with you. So when I was cleaning my bookshelf, I found these blind bags. So I wanted to open with you. So I made it 1 year back. So now I'm going to unbox with you. So before starting the video, I will tell you what is blind bag. Okay? So blind bag is a surprise thing. So I tell you before, I have made this 1 year back. So I did not know anything what is inside these blind bags. So now I will unbox it with you and I'm going to see what is inside over them. And I'm so super excited. I hope you are also excited. So now let's start today's video. So these are some blind bags. I made 5 blind bags. So I will tell you first what is written on these blind bags and then I'm going to cut it. I have a small scissor. So the first blind bag is my favorite blind bag. This is doll Minnie's blind bag gift plus. So in back there is a question mark and it written good luck. So now let's keep it in a side. So now the second blind bag is book supplies blind bag. In bag there is a question mark and written good luck. So now the third blind bag is my favorite unicorn supplies blind bag. So this, and in the bag there is written good luck, a good luck. So now let's keep it in a side. So now the fourth one is junk food blind bag. In bag there is a question mark and written good luck. So now let's keep it in a side. So now the last one and the fifth one. So this is school supplies blind bag. In bag there is written good luck, good luck. So now let's keep it in a side. So now I'm going to arrange these blind bags in this basket and then I'm going to pick one. Okay? So guys, I have arranged it. So now let's pick one. So I think I'm going to pick my favorite one. This is doll Minnie's blind bag gift plus. So now let's unbox it. So I have this scissor. So now let's open it. So guys, I have opened it. Then I get this. This is a wrapper and inside there are some things. Let's see what is inside. I'm going to open it. So there is a cello tape here. Let me open it. Yes, I open it. So now let's see. Oh, this is Barbie makeup. So first I'm going to open this one. What is this? Okay, let me open it. This is a palette, eye palette. So look, there is a brush here. So my doll can put in her eyes some eyeshadow and here is a mirror. Now let's keep it in a side. And now there are more things also. Okay, so now there is a mirror. Look, I love this mirror. This is a very small one for our Barbies. So now there are more 2 things left. So this is a lipstick. Now let's keep it in a side. And this is a powder and let me open it. And then I open it, I got a pump here. So our doll can put some powder in his face. Now let's keep it in a side. So there is one more thing inside. Gift. So I think there is a written gift, so I get a gift. So now let's open it. There is a cello tape again. I cannot open it. Okay, I have opened it. Now let's open it. So what is inside? Oh, there is a mask here. So I can put my doll. So this is a mask. This is a very tiny mask. I love it. So now let's open the second blind bag. What should I open? What should I open? Okay, this one. This one is book supplies blind bag. Now let's unbox it. Cut it. Okay, done. So I think I'm going to cut a little bit of more because there is no opening. Okay, this is opened, and when I open it, I got this checklist that is written open it. Now let's open it. So that is written notebook plus sketch pen, we can get it, or only notebook or only pencil. So I want notebook plus sketch pen. Hope I get it. So now let's see. So I got a sketch pen. That is not written only sketch pen, it is written also notebook. Look. So I think there is a notebook inside. Yes, there is a notebook inside, and there are the ice cream and a donut. Look it. So I love the pages inside it. So now let's keep it inside. So now the third blind bag is, what should I open? I think this one. This is school supplies blind bag. So now let's open it. So I will cut it. Little bit of more. Let's cut it. A little bit of more. Okay, now it is opening. So when I open it, I got a scale here. This is a very tiny scale. So now I got a pencil here. This is a very tiny pencil. We can write something. And I got a book inside it. Look it. And there is a ice cream and a heart. Okay. So now let's open the fourth blind bag. What should I open? There is two more. So I think this one. Junk food blind bag. Let's open it. Okay, I've opened it. So guys, when I open it, I got this checklist that is written open it. So now let's open it. So that is written pizza, burger and french fries. So I think burger I want. So let's see what I got inside it. Oh no, I got a pizza, but I love pizza too. So now let's keep it inside. So now I will open this one. This is the fifth one and the last one. So now let's open it. Unicorn, I love it. So now let's open it. Okay, I've cut it. Little bit of more I'm going to cut because that is not opening. Okay, this is now opening. So now when I open it, I got this unicorn sticker. Wow! And there's a double-sided tape here to I can put in my hand or any paper. I can put. This is a unicorn pencil. Look, so there is a unicorn. Look. There is a unicorn here. I love this one. And inside there is a unicorn book. Look, there is a unicorn in the front of book. So this is my videos. Bye bye.